front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to tap on security. Then tap on face unlock and enter your screen lock. Now hit setup at the bottom right corner. Select setup again after reading all of those instructions or disclaimers. Keep your face in frame, follow all of these steps on your screen and wait for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options and hit next. Select done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!